Hi everyone, I am Mohini. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will write and run our first Playwright test case using JavaScript. So I have already completed the setup, so we will directly start with the test. So what we will prepare test case like we can open the browser, then navigate to Google and verify page title and show the test result. So let's start. I am opening my Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio code. We already imported Playwright project and we have got all the Playwright project dependencies. So, and we can see here all the project structure has been created successfully. In test folder, we have this sample test file we already executed in last video. So now we are going to create new JavaScript file. So under test, we can create a new file typing Google. This is the test case name dot spec dot js. JavaScript extension. So we can see here empty JavaScript file is created successfully. So why we created this file with .spec.js extension, because it is a standard naming convention in Playwright, and Playwright detects a test file ending with spec.js, and also we can give uh, google.taste.js, but using .spec.js clearly indicate that the file contains test specification. That's why we are using .spec.js for creating new file. So now we can start creating new test. For importing playwright test function, we can type const. We got auto suggestion, so I am entering this, then test expect, and I am accepting this line. So here we are importing playwright test and expect from playwright. So here we are importing test expect from playwright. Test is used to create a test case and expect is used to for assertion and validation. This line tells playwright that we want to use testing feature. That's why we are using this const. So I am creating test. So typing test and I am accepting this code. Google search test. This is the test case name. Async. We are using async because browser action takes time, and page is provided by Playwright automatically. Page represent a single browser tab. Now I am navigating to Google website. So typing await, I am accepting this code await page.goto and Google URL. So page.goto opens Google home page. Await ensures playwright wait until the page is fully loaded before moving to next step. So after that we can validate the page title. So I am typing await and I am accepting this code. This line verifies the page title, and we have to have title. It checks the title of current page, and Google is the regular expression. It means the title should contain the word Google. If title does not match, test will fail. So I am closing test block. So First test is ready, so let's run this test in the terminal. So I am opening new terminal. So I am executing this test using N npx playwright it test and then test case name google dot spec dot js. Then I am entering, and now we can see test case started running. Google web page is open and validated the page title. So all the tests are passed successfully. So we can run test by the name. We have this name check Google's title. So for this we have another command npx playwright test hyphen g, and in double inverted comma we have test case name. So we need to pass test case name here and enter. So we can see test executed successfully. Open the Google web page and validated the page title. And also we can execute this test in headed mode. So I'm typing npx playwright test, then test case name google dot spec dot js space hyphen hyphen headed. So I'm entering. So browser will open, google web page is open and validate the google title in the all the browsers. And also we can execute this test in single browser. So let's execute in chromium browser. So we need to type npx playwright test space hyphen hyphen project equal to chromium. It will execute in chrome. So we can see running is started. Open the chrome, open the website, executed test. And if we want to execute specific test, then we can mention here test case name. We need to execute google dot spec dot js space hyphen hyphen project equal to chromium. I'm entering. So test case is started. Google web page is open. Like this, we can also execute in Firefox and WebKit. Give the name here Firefox and enter. It will open the Google website. We can see here. And also we can execute in WebKit. So I am giving name here WebKit. So running is started. It executed successfully. So I have covered playwright first test case writing and execution. So here we can see we can start the test and then open the browser, and then we can go to the Google URL, and we can check the title, and then after that we can check the title contains Google word. If the title matches, the test case will pass, otherwise it will fail. So this is the execution flow of our test. So we already check our prepared test case is executed successfully. That means our automation is working correctly. So in this video, we wrote and run our first Playwright test case using JavaScript. In next video, we will interact with real web element like button and input field. So if this video help you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next Playwright tutorial.